how to plan ad spends on quick commerce. What we realize is that as an advertiser, you need to have inventory यहाँ पे. Bases on that, how to do ad spends on.
To an extent, you're saying कि यार पिछले 3 साल में Amazon के playbooks बन गए. That people have figured it out. This is what works. It's fairly this thing. You just don't need to mess it up, right? At least
Yeah,
for the
correct.
basic
Don't
rule
need to mess
and as a simpler thing, yeah, make it उनके back end warehouses में and then start spending and start making sure you're not leaking or your basics are in place. And of course, then product market fit is a given. If you don't have it, then it will not work out. What I'm saying.
So,
I think quick commerce, I think it's evolving, right? And what is the most interesting thing is how closely linked is your availability or your distribution to your spends, right? Like even if you are, that's what I say, like even if you're stocking out when you're spending, right? It's almost like saying I'm cannibalizing my organic sales, right? So which is important. So how closely knit is your availability to your spends? And now the second is it just your availability or competition's availability? That is right, like how closely linked this is. And of course the pricing and all of this. And the most important dimension is all of this will vary at a hyper local level. Right? It is because fundamentally, if you're saying each of the dimensions which are like an availability is going to vary at a hyper local level or at a level, which means your optimizations will have to be at that level. Right?
Absolutely.
Right. And secondly, I think it's evolving so quickly. Like a playbook which you had yesterday might not work today. Right? Which means that like people are figuring out things, people are trying out new things. The landscape is changing so quickly, right? It's about reading signals and adapting. The let's say even the humility to say here what worked yesterday is not working. I need to change. I need to be agile enough to change and execute. So I think that's what's to me is going to be and playbooks will get defined over a period of time. This is how you need to operate on quick commerce. Yeah.
Like in Amazon, it is said that you should not disturb the campaign so much. Learning अपनी खत्म हो जाती है. But in this case, you have to be very agile. Like I think I also keep suggesting and keep telling the brands as well. For example, you have one SKU which is available, I would say 200, 250 units in the entire city. Yeah. And you are available, I would say in 30, 40 dark. So I would say maybe 100 dark stores. Per dark store, I have only 2 to 3 units. Yeah. There is no point of running ads. A product अपने आप organically निकल जाएगा. You save this money and spend somewhere else.